Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and today I'm going to show you a pretty cool trick. You know, a lot of you guys know this functionality where if you click on a feature name, you pause, and then you click on the feature name again, you can go into a rename, and that's a great way to go through and clean up your feature tree. But unfortunately, sometimes you end up accidentally renaming, and it can be pretty annoying. Like if I want to make a new sketch on the top plane, so I clicked on it and then I went and did something else, then I click on it again, well, I end up in a rename function. Today I'm going to show you something super simple that you can do to avoid ever having this happen again. Ow! So like I said, this is a super simple trick. All you got to do is click on the icon, not the name of the feature. So if I click on the name of the feature, you see it takes me into a rename. If I click on the feature, go somewhere else, click on the name of the feature again, it takes me into a rename. But if I click on the feature so that it's highlighted and then click on the icon, it does not take me into a rename. And that means I can get in here and really quickly start sketching on that plane. Or if I wanted to examine that sketch and then I decide I want to edit that sketch, well, if I click on the name of the sketch, it takes me into a rename. But if I click on the icon for the sketch, then I can jump right into edit sketch mode. Something that's kind of cool is this actually works in a lot of other places. Like you can even do this in Windows Explorer. If you click on the name of a file in Windows Explorer and then click on the name again, it'll put you into a rename. But if you click on the name of the file and then click on the icon for the file, it will not put you into a rename. So this is a cool power move because you can not only use it in Solidworks, you can also use it in other areas of your computing life. I hope you guys enjoyed that power move. If you did, be sure to leave a comment below. Be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe, and of course, be sure to share this video with other people you know who are trying to learn more about the wonderful world of Solidworks. And I'll see everybody in the next one.